Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is 5 qualities needed to be a good journalist. So you want to be a journalist, but do you have what it takes? On top of having good writing skills, several other qualities are needed to excel as a journalist. Editors look for individuals with curiosity, critical thinking, a hunger for news, a burning desire to tell a good story regardless of the medium or platform, and a dedication to accuracy, fairness, balance, and media ethics. To give you a better idea of it, for you have what it takes to be a good journalist, check out the 5 essential qualities listed below. Integrity. To be a good journalist, you must possess a solid ethical code, the integrity. Journalists must have their audience's trust in order to succeed. Fairness, objectivity, and honesty are 3 factors that need to be built into every story. It is a journalist's duty to report accurate and reliable information to the public. If a journalist is ever put into a scenario where trust could be compromised, they should step aside. A good way to familiarize oneself with the ethics of journalism is to read and follow the Society of Professional Journalists Code of Ethics. Courage. A good journalist must also be courageous and bold. Part of the job is asking tough questions and digging deeper than comfortable when deemed necessary. Personal feelings must be put aside in order to unleash the truth. In most cases, journalists will need to be out on the scene to get a full, unique story. This includes traveling to drastic and dangerous events to get details. Communication skills. Strong communication skills are a must for a journalist. These skills are used on a regular basis to interview sources and to write in-depth stories and reports. To be a journalist, a bachelor's degree in communication or journalism is necessary, along with some form of internship experience. A journalist must also possess skills in technical writing and source attribution, along with a high proficient in English grammar. Tech savviness. Technology and social media have become a huge part of journalism and reporting today. Therefore, it is important that a journalist possess technology skills. Journalists are expected to use social media as a tool. Tech savviness. Technology and social media have become a huge part of journalism and reporting today. Therefore, it is important that a journalist possess technology skills. Journalists are expected to use social media as a tool to report in real time and to provide transparent coverage of an ongoing event. Next one is analytical mind. A good journalist should also have an analytical mind that allows बस हो गया सर एक लाइन बचा है based stories on fact instead of emotions. Thank you.